Are you tired of feeling out of balance and struggling with the ups and downs of daily life? Are you looking for a natural solution to help you maintain harmony and well-being? It's time to find your center with MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Auto Balance. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to a more balanced, empowered you. In today's hectic world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and off-kilter, whether it's from stress, lack of sleep, or poor diet choices. From mood swings to energy crashes, feeling out of balance can affect every aspect of our lives and leave us feeling drained and depleted. Imagine the frustration of constantly battling mood swings and emotional ups and downs, the exhaustion of trying to keep up with the demands of daily life, and the disappointment of feeling like you're constantly fighting an uphill battle. It's not just about managing symptoms, it's about reclaiming control and finding your inner balance. Enter MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Auto Balance, your key to achieving harmony and well-being. This isn't just any supplement, it's a carefully crafted blend of natural ingredients meticulously designed to support your body's natural balance mechanisms, promote emotional stability, and enhance overall vitality. With Auto Balance, you're not just addressing symptoms, you're nurturing your body and mind from within. This powerful formula helps regulate mood, support stress resilience, and promote a sense of calm and well-being, so you can navigate life's challenges with ease and grace. Ready to reclaim your sense of balance and unlock your full potential? Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals now and discover the health benefits of MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Auto Balance. Don't let chaos hold you back. Embrace harmony and vitality today.